Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Fetch how to scan e-receipts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To scan e-receipts in Fetch, what you need to do is use the e-receipt scanner that is based for Amazon, Walmart or Target. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open up your Fetch app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, on the bottom right corner of the screen you'll be seeing a Me tab. Simply tap on that. Now inside the Me tab, you'll find an option that says e-receipts. Simply tap on that. Now inside e-receipts, you'll find an option that says connect account. Simply tap on that and sign into your Amazon, Walmart or email account. Now once linked, tap scan for e-receipts and Fetch will search for recent purchases. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.